All right, here we go with the January 18th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Going to be wrapping up our big winter storm and taking a look at what's ahead. Now, of course, as I cut this video, the snow has died down. I'll go back to that in just a second. I want to show you this right here. This is the Avalon Pier web camera. Man, that's been an impressive scene this morning. You can check my Twitter feed. I threw an image up there from earlier this morning. It's been a driving snowstorm for the Outer Banks this morning. Blowing snow. If you look carefully, you see the snow piled up on the pier there. 26 degrees there in the Outer Banks there. That is the Kill Devil Hills observation. Really rough morning over that way. Now we have had a lot of ice and snow here across our parts of the region. If you're listening to us here or watching this video from the Triad or Charlotte regions, Triangle regions, it's been a big winter storm. There's Greensboro's tower camera this morning. Ice and snow covered roads. Temperature in Greensboro, how about 6 degrees with a wind chill of 3 below. That is absolutely brutal. And we'll take a look down in Charlotte, the Dowd YMCA camera. Main arteries, touch and go. Anything that looks wet is going to be ice. But certainly all kinds of problems on the secondary roads and the neighborhood type of roads. Charlotte observation over at the airport is 13 with a wind chill of 2. All right, let's take a look at some preliminary snow amounts still being tabulated as I cut the video over here in eastern North Carolina. But these are some preliminary numbers elsewhere across the region. Very, very impressive winter storm. And you had some especially impressive numbers around parts of the Triad region. Look at those snow totals. Many, many areas in the 5 to 10 inch range. An impressive snowstorm. And pretty much an all-day snowstorm yesterday, too. Now, again, these are temperatures during the 6 o'clock hour this morning. It is cold. No doubt about that. Regionally, everybody's cold. 15 in Birmingham and Atlanta, 9 in Nashville, 8 in Knoxville. Brutally cold Arctic air mass in place. Now, let me go back to yesterday. This was an impressive winter storm. This upper-level disturbance continued to get stronger and stronger and stronger on the model runs leading up to this event yesterday. And it really kind of pivoted at just the right point to really hammer parts of especially North Carolina with snow and an all-day snow. And then you can see the back edge of this that formed and dropped another inch or two in some spots with that fine powdery type of snow yesterday evening. And even at 9, 10 o'clock, it was still snowing in a good chunk of the Piedmont. And this was this morning. Look at that driving snow in the Outer Banks. But that's it. That system's departing. And you notice on the future radar that precipitation ends this morning in the Outer Banks, and then that's it. We have a dry stretch of weather coming. Winter weather advisories up across the mountains, foothills, and Piedmont zones, not for any additional precipitation. Upstate as well. Not for any additional precipitation, but due to the ice and snow on area roads. Winter storm warnings in eastern North Carolina for the snow for a little while longer this morning. But that system, again, is departing. There it goes. High pressure building in the wake of that. So a lot of sun today. There's your additional snow that's been occurring early this morning over in the Outer Banks in eastern North Carolina. Today, there's your highs. So we get above freezing. Not a lot above freezing, but we do get above freezing. And with full sun, there'll be a lot of improvement with the road conditions today. However, as we get deeper into the day and into the evening hours, temperatures cool off quickly, and we're going to be looking at a hard freeze tonight. There's your lows tonight. Probably the colder spots easily down into the teens. So anything that's liquid on our area roads will become ice again tonight into tomorrow morning. But we'll see how much melting we get today. A lot of sunshine as we go through your Friday. Pronounced warming trend. Much, much warmer tomorrow. Look at these highs tomorrow afternoon. Continuing to get warmer as we get into Saturday. A lot of Saturday sunshine. There's our Saturday afternoon highs, and Sunday looks very much the same. And we're kind of flipping the pattern a little bit here. Let me go back to this here. This is this weekend, some ridging over the southeast. A little system moves through, brings us some rain late Monday or early Tuesday, and then we try to warm things up again thereafter as we get later on into next week. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everybody, stay warm. Have a great day. Enjoy the snow, and God bless.